Boeing achieves milestone, NGAD Demonstrator completes first flight in under 24 months, paving the way for future defense aircraft. Date, March 27, 2025. Location, Washington, D.C. On March 21, 2025, Boeing made a significant breakthrough in defense aviation with the successful first flight of its next-generation air dominance NGAD demonstrator, achieving this milestone in an impressive timeframe of under 24 months. This event represents a crucial step in the U.S. Air Force's ongoing initiative to develop sixth-generation fighter technology, with the culmination of efforts leading to the awarding of a contract for the engineering and manufacturing development (EMD) of the NGAD program, specifically the F-47 fighter jet. Timeline of key events. May 2023, the U.S. Air Force USAF issued a request for proposals for the NGAD EMD contract, initiating a competitive bidding process. May 2024, initial concerns emerged regarding the affordability of a full sixth-generation platform, resulting in a pause in the decision-making process. March 21, 2025, President Donald Trump announced the formal green light for the NGAD program, with the EMD contract valued at approximately $20 billion. This decision underscored the need for the U.S. to maintain its technological supremacy, particularly in light of increasing competition from adversaries such as China. Key developments. Boeing's commitment to the NGAD project is evident through substantial investments, including the construction of a new 1.1 million square foot manufacturing facility set to be completed by 2026. This state-of-the-art facility aims to enhance Boeing's production capabilities for military aircraft and revolutionize the manufacturing processes involved. The F-47 fighter jet is designed with advanced features including next-generation stealth technology, sensor fusion, and long-range strike capabilities. Its adaptive and modular design ensures it can integrate with emerging technologies and accommodate evolving mission requirements, making it a versatile asset for the Air Force. Program significance. The NGAD program is critical for ensuring U.S. air dominance and maintaining a technological edge in military aviation. The impressive development timeline, from conception to first flight in less than 2 years, demonstrates Boeing's ability to expedite innovation in a high-stakes environment. The announcement by President Trump not only provided strong political backing for the program but also highlighted the administration's focus on preserving U.S. military advantages. In his statement, Trump emphasized, "I'm thrilled to announce that the United States Air Force is moving forward with the world's first sixth-generation fighter jet. Nothing in the world comes even close to it." Insights from Boeing executives. Boeing executives emphasized the importance of transparency and strategic foresight in the NGAD initiative. They pointed out that the rapid development phase was not merely a result of increased funding but also a reflection of their commitment to innovation and responsiveness to evolving defense needs. The Air Force has articulated that the F-47 will serve as the cornerstone of the NGAD family of systems, integrating next-generation capabilities to counter sophisticated threats in contested environments. The USAF's Chief of Staff General David Alvin remarked, "With this F-47 as the crown jewel in the next-generation air dominance family of systems, we believe that this provides more lethality and more capability." Challenges and considerations. Despite the positive momentum, the program faced scrutiny over affordability and feasibility. In May 2020, the USAF paused the decision-making process due to concerns that a full-fledged sixth-generation platform might not be economically viable. This led to a re-evaluation of the program's goals and strategies. The subsequent decision to proceed with the NGAD program reflects a broader strategic commitment to ensure U.S. military capabilities remain unparalleled on the global stage. The administration recognized that advancing the NGAD initiative was essential to countering the technological advancements of adversaries, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. Boeing's manufacturing expansion. The construction of the new Boeing facility represents a pivotal investment in the future of military aviation. This factory is anticipated to nearly double the company's manufacturing footprint at its St. Louis site and is designed to accommodate advanced production techniques that will be critical for the NGAD and other future military programs. The facility's completion is expected in 2026 and will play a vital role in delivering the F-47 and potentially other advanced aircraft for the U.S. Navy's future fighter programs. Conclusion: the successful first flight of Boeing's NGAD Demonstrator and the subsequent contract for the F-47 mark a transformative moment for U.S. military aviation. This program is poised to enhance the Air Force's operational capabilities, ensuring it can effectively counter emerging threats. The rapid development timeline and the introduction of cutting-edge technology in the NGAD program set a new standard in defense aviation, positioning the United States to maintain its air dominance well into the future. As the world watches the evolution of military technology, the NGAD program exemplifies the U.S. commitment to maintaining a strategic advantage in an increasingly competitive global landscape. The successful implementation of the F-47 and its integration into the broader NGAD framework will be critical in shaping the future of air combat and defense strategy. Boeing's recent achievement of completing the first flight of the next-generation air dominance NGAD Demonstrator within a remarkably brief timeframe of under 24 months presents several counterintuitive insights that stand out from the broader context of military aviation development and defense procurement. 1. Rapid development versus traditional timelines. The timeline from concept to first flight in less than 2 years challenges the conventional wisdom that advanced military aircraft development takes a decade or more. Historically, fighter jet programs, especially those involving new generations of technology, have been mired in delays and budget overruns. The rapid pace of the NGAD project suggests a shift in approach, potentially driven by advancements in digital engineering and manufacturing techniques, contradicting the expectation that such technological complexity would naturally extend development timelines. 2. Political influence on defense programs. The announcement of the NGAD program's green light by President Trump amid a backdrop of critiques directed at Boeing highlights a paradox where political support can manifest even in the face of dissatisfaction with the contractor's performance. Trump's previous negative remarks about Boeing's delays in delivering Air Force One underscore the unpredictable nature of political influence in defense contracts. It raises questions about how political dynamics can both hinder and propel critical defense initiatives. 3. Affordability concerns. Initially, there were apprehensions regarding the affordability of a full sixth-generation platform, prompting a pause in the decision-making process. However, the subsequent endorsement of the NGAD by the Trump administration, despite these concerns, indicates a prioritization of technological superiority over budget limitations. This shift contradicts the expectation that financial feasibility would be a decisive factor in moving forward with such high-stakes programs, especially in an era of fiscal restraint. 4. Designation of the F-47. The choice of the designation F-47 following the F-35 seems to defy the typical sequential naming conventions seen in military aircraft. Traditionally, designations follow a numerical order that reflects a logical progression of capabilities and technological evolution. The leap from F-35 to F-47 raises questions about the strategic implications of this numbering scheme, suggesting a desire to emphasize the program's significance and perhaps to draw a symbolic connection between the aircraft and the current administration. Given Trump's status as the 47th president. 5. Workforce and supply chain challenges. While Boeing's ambitious plans for the NGAD and the associated factory expansion reflect a forward-looking strategy, they also come amid significant supply chain and workforce challenges that have plagued the aerospace industry. The ability to navigate these issues effectively while maintaining an accelerated development schedule runs counter to the common expectation that such obstacles would slow progress significantly. 6. Technological capability versus human element. The F-47 is touted as potentially the last manned fighter program, emphasizing a shift toward unmanned or collaborative combat systems in future warfare. This notion challenges the traditional view of fighter aircraft as piloted machines and raises uncertainties about the future role of human pilots in combat scenarios. The integration of advanced technologies like sensor fusion and modular design suggests a move towards systems that prioritize automation and technological integration over human decision-making, which could redefine the nature of air combat. These counterintuitive elements paint a complex picture of the NGAD program, illustrating how it disrupts traditional paradigms in military aviation development while also revealing the intricate interplay between technology, politics, and strategic defense considerations. In examining Boeing's recent milestone with the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program, particularly its first flight of the Demonstrator in under 24 months and the awarding of the Engineering and Manufacturing Development (EMD) contract, several significant elements emerge that are often overlooked in broader discussions. Here are key components of the report that warrant closer scrutiny as they hold profound implications for the future of military aviation, strategic defense, and geopolitical dynamics. 1. Rapid development timeline. While many reports highlight the impressive timeline from conception to first flight, the underlying significance of this speed is often understated. Boeing's ability to achieve a successful flight in less than 2 years reflects not only advanced engineering capabilities but also a shift in defense procurement and development strategies. This rapid timeline suggests a potential new paradigm in military acquisition that prioritizes agility and responsiveness to emerging threats. The speed of development could be indicative of a broader trend within the U.S. defense industry, where future projects may adopt similar rapid prototyping and production methodologies. This shift could lead to shorter development cycles across various military platforms, enabling the U.S. military to keep pace with adversaries who are rapidly advancing in their own military technologies. 2. Challenges of affordability and budgetary concerns. The report mentions concerns regarding the affordability of a full sixth-generation platform, which led to a pause in decision-making. This aspect is critical as it underscores the ongoing tension between technological advancement and budget constraints within defense spending. The initial hesitance to move forward with the NGAD program reflects broader issues in defense policy, where the costs of cutting-edge technology must be balanced against fiscal realities. Understanding the implications of this affordability concern is crucial. It raises questions about how the U.S. will finance future defense initiatives amid competing priorities. The push for the F-47, despite these concerns, signals a commitment to maintaining technological superiority, which may necessitate trade-offs in other areas of defense spending or broader government budgets. 3. Political dynamics and implications. The involvement of President Trump in announcing the green light for the NGAD program is not merely a procedural detail but a significant political event with strategic ramifications. The timing of the announcement following criticism of Boeing illustrates the intertwining of corporate interests and political agendas in defense contracting. This dynamic could influence future defense contracts and how companies engage with the government. Moreover, the designation of the aircraft as the F-47 carries symbolic weight, especially given Trump's status as the 47th President of the United States. This connection could foster a sense of personal investment in the program, potentially affecting funding and support as the program progresses. Observing how this political backing influences the program's trajectory will be essential, especially in an era where defense initiatives are often subject to shifts in political leadership. 4. Technological advancements and future readiness. While the report details the advanced features of the F-47, such as next-generation stealth and sensor fusion, it is imperative to consider how these technologies will shape future air combat scenarios. The F-47's adaptability and modular design are particularly noteworthy, as they suggest a platform that can evolve alongside rapidly changing warfare conditions and technological innovations. The capability for rapid technology integration, as noted in the report, will be pivotal in ensuring that the F-47 remains effective against emerging threats. This adaptability could set a precedent for future military aircraft emphasizing a strategic shift towards more flexible and upgradable systems rather than static designs that may become obsolete over time. 5. Strategic context of air dominance. Boeing's focus on air dominance as a crucial aspect of U.S. military strategy cannot be overstated. The report emphasizes that air dominance is not a birthright, reflecting a growing recognition of the need for continuous investment in air capabilities to counter sophisticated adversaries. This acknowledgement highlights a strategic pivot in U.S. defense policy, especially in the context of rising powers like China and Russia. Understanding the significance of maintaining air superiority is essential as it directly correlates to the U.S.'s ability to project power and influence globally. The NGAD program and the F-47 will likely play a critical role in shaping the U.S. military's operational capabilities in contested environments, impacting strategic calculations in conflict scenarios. 6. Implications for Allied defense strategies. The advancements represented by the NGAD program could have ripple effects on Allied nations' defense strategies and procurement decisions. As the U.S. continues to develop next-generation platforms, allies may feel compelled to modernize their own fleets to maintain interoperability and collective defense capabilities. This could lead to a broader trend of defense collaboration and joint development initiatives among allied nations. Moreover, countries observing the U.S.'s advancements may accelerate their own sixth-generation fighter programs, potentially leading to an arms race in advanced military technologies. The strategic implications of this development could reshape alliances and partnerships in the global defense landscape. Conclusion. Boeing's achievement with the NGAD demonstrator and the subsequent awarding of the EMD contract for the F-47 is a landmark moment in military aviation. However, the broader implications of this development extend far beyond mere technological advancement. The interplay of rapid development timelines, political dynamics, affordability challenges, and strategic considerations underscores the complexity of modern defense initiatives. As the U.S. moves forward with the NGAD program, these elements will be critical in shaping not only the future of military aviation but also the geopolitical landscape in which these technologies operate. Understanding these nuances is essential for grasping the full significance of Boeing's recent milestone and its potential impact on global defense strategies. 1. Rapid development timeline. Boeing's achievement of completing the first flight of the NGAD demonstrator in under 24 months signifies an unprecedented pace of innovation in military aviation. This rapid development is critical as it not only demonstrates Boeing's capability to expedite complex aerospace projects but also reflects the urgency of modern military needs in response to evolving threats, particularly from adversaries like China. The ability to bring a sixth-generation fighter from concept to flight in such a short timeframe sets a new standard for future defense projects, emphasizing agility and responsiveness in defense contracting. 2. Technological advancements and capabilities of the F-47. The F-47 is the centerpiece of the NGAD program, is designed to integrate cutting-edge features such as next-generation stealth sensor fusion and long-range strike capabilities. Its modular design allows for adaptability to emerging technologies, ensuring that it can evolve alongside future military requirements. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining technological superiority in contested environments, underscoring the importance of continuous innovation in defense strategies. The emphasis on these advanced capabilities highlights the strategic importance of the NGAD program in enhancing U.S. air dominance. 3. Political and financial implications. The NGAD program's success is not only a technical achievement but also a politically charged endeavor, receiving strong backing from the Trump administration despite previous concerns regarding the program's affordability. The $20 billion EMD contract and the presidential endorsement reflect a strategic decision to prioritize military innovation and maintain U.S. technological leadership. This political support is vital for the program's continuation and funding, especially in a climate where defense budgets are scrutinized and subject to cuts. The juxtaposition of political support and financial investment raises questions about the long-term sustainability and implications for Boeing and the defense industry. 4. Future of air dominance and military strategy. The NGAD program, particularly with the F-47, represents a significant shift in the U.S. military's approach to air dominance. As articulated by USAF leadership, maintaining air superiority is viewed as a continuous commitment rather than a given. The development of the F-47 is positioned as a cornerstone of a broader strategy to counter sophisticated adversaries, necessitating a focus on lethality and capability modernization. This commitment to evolving air power through the NGAD program signals a proactive stance in military strategy, emphasizing the importance of innovation in defense to address emerging threats and ensure future operational effectiveness. In summary, the successful first flight of the NGAD Demonstrator, along with the comprehensive features of the F-47, the political and financial backing it receives, and its implications for future military strategy, collectively underscore a transformative moment in U.S. defense aviation and a critical step toward securing air dominance in the face of global challenges. 1. Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II program. The F-35 program serves as a significant historical case in defense aviation, marked by its rapid development and integration of advanced technologies. Initiated in the late 1990s, the program aimed to create a family of stealth multi-role fighters for the U.S. and allied nations. The F-35 achieved its first flight in 2006, and despite numerous challenges related to costs and development timelines, it has become a cornerstone of modern air forces worldwide. The F-35's development involved significant investment and innovation similar to Boeing's NGAD initiative, and it emphasizes the importance of maintaining technological superiority in military aviation. 2. Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit stealth bomber. The B-2 Spirit, developed in the 1980s and entering service in the 1990s, is another example of rapid advancement in military aircraft technology. Designed for penetrating dense anti-aircraft defenses, the B-2 incorporates stealth features that have made it a critical asset for the U.S. Air Force. The program faced its own challenges, including high costs and technical difficulties, yet it set a precedent for future aircraft design focused on stealth and advanced systems integration. Like the NGAD, the B-2's development was aimed at ensuring air superiority against sophisticated threats. 3. McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle, introduced in the 1970s, is a renowned air superiority fighter that has seen continuous upgrades and adaptations over decades. Its development was characterized by a strong emphasis on speed, maneuverability, and combat readiness. The F-15's success in multiple conflicts demonstrated the importance of advanced aerodynamic design and real-time data integration, much like the objectives of the NGAD program. The F-15 serves as a historical reference for the evolution of fighter aircraft and the ongoing pursuit of air dominance, paralleling Boeing's current endeavors with the F-47. The successful first flight of Boeing's next-generation air dominance NGAD Demonstrator and the subsequent green light for the F-47 fighter jet represent a pivotal moment in military aviation, with profound implications for the future of defense technology and air superiority. As we look ahead, several key trends and predictions can be drawn from this development. 1. Acceleration of defense technology development. The rapid timeline from concept to first flight in under 24 months indicates a shift in defense procurement and development strategies. Future projects are likely to mirror this expedited approach, driven by the need for agility in response to evolving threats. The integration of advanced digital engineering techniques will enable faster iterations and prototypes, reducing the time required to bring new systems to operational status. 2. Modular and adaptable aircraft designs. The F-47's modular design, aimed at ensuring compatibility with emerging technologies, suggests a broader industry trend towards adaptable military platforms. Future aircraft will likely feature standardized components that can be easily upgraded or replaced, allowing for continuous improvement and integration of the latest technologies. This adaptability will be crucial in addressing rapidly changing battlefield environments and technological advancements from adversaries. 3. Increased focus on collaborative systems. The NGAD program emphasizes the importance of a family of systems which includes not only the F-47 but also collaborative combat aircraft and other supporting systems. This integrated approach will likely become the norm, with future military strategies focusing on networked platforms that enhance situational awareness and combat effectiveness through shared data and cooperative mission execution. 4. Enhanced stealth and countermeasures. As adversaries develop advanced detection and engagement capabilities, the F-47's next-generation stealth features will set a precedent for future aircraft designs. We can expect continued investments in stealth technology, including shape optimization materials that absorb radar and active countermeasure systems. These advancements will be essential for maintaining air superiority in contested environments. 5. Geopolitical implications and arms race dynamics. The U.S. commitment to the NGAD program reflects a broader geopolitical landscape where military capabilities are increasingly viewed as essential for national security. As countries like China continue to enhance their military aviation capabilities, including their own sixth-generation fighter programs, a new arms race may emerge. Nations will invest heavily in advanced technologies to ensure they are not outpaced, potentially leading to heightened tensions in global military affairs. 6. Budgetary implications and resource allocation. The substantial $20 billion investment in the NGAD program raises questions about budgetary priorities within the U.S. defense budget. Future defense spending will likely reflect a balance between cutting-edge innovations and traditional military capabilities. As the U.S. navigates fiscal constraints, prioritizing high-impact programs like NGAD will be essential for maintaining technological superiority. 7. Integration of artificial intelligence and automation. The future of military aviation will increasingly involve artificial intelligence (AI) and automation. The F-47 is expected to leverage AI for enhanced decision-making, threat assessment, and mission planning. As AI technologies mature, future aircraft will likely incorporate autonomous systems that can operate alongside human pilots, improving operational efficiency and effectiveness in complex scenarios. 8. Global collaborations and partnerships. The complexity and cost of developing advanced military aircraft will encourage nations to seek partnerships and collaborations. Joint ventures, shared research and development, and international defense agreements will likely shape the future landscape of military aviation. This collaborative approach can help distribute costs and share technological advancements across allied nations. 9. Environmental considerations in military design. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, future military aircraft designs may increasingly factor in sustainability. This could involve developing more fuel-efficient engines, exploring alternative energy sources, and utilizing environmentally friendly materials in aircraft construction. These considerations will not only align with global sustainability goals but also enhance operational logistics and cost efficiency. 10. Long-term strategic vision for air dominance. The NGAD program is not merely about immediate technological advancements, it reflects a long-term strategic vision for U.S. air dominance. Future defense policies will likely emphasize maintaining a competitive edge in air power, with investments in next-generation systems being seen as essential for countering sophisticated threats from near-peer adversaries. In conclusion, the successful first flight of Boeing's NGAD Demonstrator heralds a transformative era in military aviation characterized by rapid technological advancements, collaborative systems, and an evolving global defense landscape. As nations adapt to new challenges and opportunities, the implications of this program will resonate throughout the defense sector, shaping the future of air power for decades to come.